A person born inside a car and died outside a car is called what?
Carbon dioxide.
Come again.
Carbon dioxide.
Can you see God? No. Can you touch God? No. Then there isn't a God. Ma'am, can you see your brain? No. Can you touch your brain? No. Oh, so you don't have a brain?
Stop judging people who love money. If poverty is your happiness, then focus on it.
I don't understand some people. You are stingy in real life. And when you come to social media, you are still stingy. You will watch someone post. You can't like, comment, and share. Can't you see how stingy you are? Rubbish.
Mom, can I get $20?
Does it look like I'm made of money?
Ain't that what MOM stands for? M-O-M, made of money.
If they put 30,000 and you, I will pick you. I swear, see.
What about 3 million?
Eh? Can you see we laugh together?
If you know more than 5 stingy friends, that means you are a beggar.
Sex is the only thing our parents did not teach us. But look at us today. We are all professionals.
I love
TikTok.
I love Insta.
Gram.
I love Face.
Book.
I love you.
Thank you.
YouTube.
Apart from banana, orange, avocado, and pineapple, which other fruits do we undress before eating?
What did you do?
I wouldn't tell you. You can't keep a secret.
Yes, I can. It's the people I tell that can't.